Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to open Mini Cooper Hood 2005. Pull the interior hood release lever firmly, then reach to the grille to release the safety catch. Next, lift the hood slightly and free the prop rod, then secure the rod in its slot to hold the hood open. Always ensure the car is parked with the engine off and the parking brake set before you start. Sometimes the hood won't open smoothly, and a few quick checks can save time. First, look for a loose or frayed release cable behind the lever and at the latch. Next, spray a small amount of silicone or light oil on the safety latch and work it back and forth to free it. Finally, inspect the prop rod clip and replace it if damaged so the hood stays securely open while you work. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support more car tips. Quick recommendation: the Owala water bottle is great to keep by your tool cart, holds plenty of water, and won't leak when you carry it across the garage. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want one. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Keep safety simple and practical when opening the hood. Use a flashlight to see the latch, wear gloves to protect your hands, and carry a small flat screwdriver for stubborn clips. Always avoid placing fingers between metal parts when the release is operated. If rust is the issue, apply a penetrating oil and let it sit to loosen corrosion before trying again. Work calmly and take breaks if needed to avoid injury.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.